Hello, Luisa.
Hello, teacher.
What animal are you?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. What does the rabbit say? Excellent. Hello, Zaira.
Hello, teacher.
What animal are you?
A mouse.
Very good. What does the mouse say? Very good. Hello, Martina.
Hello, teacher.
What animal are you?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. What does the rabbit say? Hello, Vale.
Hello, teacher.
What animal are you?
Rabbit.
A rabbit. What does the rabbit say? Very good. Hello, Tommy.
Hello, teacher.
What animal are you?
What animal are you?
Duro. Dilo, duro. Cow.
Cow.
Cow. What does the cow say?
The cow said.
What? What does the cow say?
The cow said.
Chicos, what does the cow say?
Mama.
Moo. What?
The cow said.
Dilo pa. Moo. Hello, Charlotte. What animal are you? Más duro.
Why?
Rabbit, very good. What does the rabbit say? Very good. Good morning, Ame.
Good morning, teacher.
What animal are you?
Pig.
Pig. And you?
What?
Rabbit. What does the rabbit say? Okay. And what does the pig say? Very good. Hello, Saris. Sarita, hello. What animal are you?
Cow.
Ay, espera, mi amor, que lo pause. Ay, no. Saris. What animal are you, Saris?
Cow.
Okay. What does the cow say?
Moo.
Excellent, Saris. Good morning, Miguelito.
Good morning, teacher.
What animal are you?
Quack.
Duck. Duck. What? What does the duck say?
Quack, quack.
Excellent. Good morning, Johannes.
Good morning, teacher.
What animal are you?
Cat.
What does the cat say?
Meow.
Very good. Hello, Noah.
Hello, teacher.
What animal are you?
Dog.
Dog. What does the dog say?
Roof. Roof.
Good morning, Antonella. What animal are you?
The cat and unicorn.
What does the cat say?
Meow.
Okay. And what does the unicorn say? Mhm. The horse? Good morning, Felipe. Felipe.